Hi, today we want to model a pipe elbow fitting, which is a simple part to change the direction of fluid by 90 or 45 degrees or any desired angles. If you want to know how to do it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and you're watching Prime Engineering channel. This is the drawing of our part. You can find the download link down in the description. Let's get to work. Start mechanical design, part design. You can rename it. Select XY plane and go to sketch. I draw a circle. And with the constraint tool and by clicking on the circle, you can define the circle's diameter. Double click on it to change it. It has to be 30. I exit the sketch. I select YZ plane and I go to sketch. What I'm trying to do here is drawing the center curve of our part and make the circle we just drew to follow that path. I start to draw with the profile tool. If it snaps to the grid, you can turn the snap on or off. If you don't have this panel, just right click on an empty area and select Sketch Tools. I go straight up, make sure it's blue and vertical. In this point, if I hold down the left click and move the mouse like I'm drawing a rectangle, and by releasing left click, it lets me draw a tangent arc. It's a super fast way, but if you don't want to do it, let me go back. After drawing the line, you can click and select tangent arc. Make sure it's blue and it's 90 degrees. When you go right, make sure these two blue parallel lines appears. It means this line is tangent with that arc. Press escape to exit profile. This line should be horizontal. Just select the line and go to constraint definition window and select horizontal. So with the constraint tool, I start to define the measurements. The whole sketch is green. Now we can exit the sketch. I select Rip tool. With Rip tool, like I said before, you can make a sketch follow a path and make a geometry. In Profile, I select Sketch 1 and in the center curve, I select Sketch 2. Before we move on, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification and leave me a comment. In order to change your point of view, you can hold down the scroll button and move your mouse to pan. And by adding right click, you can rotate. And if you release right click and move your mouse, you can zoom in or out. I select shell. In faces to remove, I select two pipe entrances. For thickness, I enter 3 millimeters. Before we finish, let me show you something. What if I want to make a 75 degrees fitting? The only difference is in the center curve sketch. So to define the 75 degree, I select profile and I draw two lines from tangent points to center of the arc. The important thing is that you should select these two lines and make them construction elements. It means these two lines are not part of our sketch. If you don't do it, you won't be able to use Rip tool. We are finished. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or problems, leave me a comment. If you want tutorials in other softwares, let me know in comments and thanks for watching.